हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज एक नए वीडियो के साथ मेरी ये चैनल ER.सतवारा दिनेश में आपका स्वागत है। अभी तक आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं की है तो कर दीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकॉन भी दबा दीजिए, जिससे आपको नए नए वीडियोस की जानकारी मिल सके। So friends, today we are going to perform standard Proctor test. The standard Proctor test is useful for finding optimum moisture content and also maximum dry density. This test is named in a honor of R. Proctor Ralph Roscoe Proctor. So let's take a look. The apparatus required for this test is standard Proctor mold, 2.5 kg Ramer, 4.75 mm sieve, knife, balance, oil and water container. First of all, take empty weight of the pan, then tear it and take 2 kg soil sample passing through 4.75 mm IS sieve. After that, take mass of empty mold, which is 2246 gram, and then after oiling the inside surface of the mold, then add water 4 to 8% of the soil sample and take another pan and mix soil and water properly. This is the rammer we use for the compaction. The weight of the rammer is 2.5 kg. So we start the procedure. Fill the mold in 3 layers. First fill 1 layer and apply 25 blows with the use of rammer. After applying 25 blows, fill the another layer, second layer, and another time applying the 25 blows. After applying 25 blows, fill the third layer and another time, third time applying 25 blows. After applying 25 blows, remove the collar and surface, finishing the top surface, and take the weight of the mass of mold plus soil sample, which is 4329 gram. Then remove the mold and take soil sample for finding the water content. So the compaction is the process during which the soil particles are artificially rearranged by mechanical means, and in order to decreasing the porosity of soil and increasing the dry density. The compaction is the process accompanying by the rolling, tamping and vibration. Now observation table. Here first is mass of empty mold. Here we get mass of empty mold is 2246. So mass of the mold, here we take same mold for the all the sample, so mass of mold is same for all. Also we applying here formula for finding mass of compacted soil, bulk density and dry density, so you can directly get the result. Then enter mass of mold plus compacted soil. Here we get mass of mold plus compacted soil for sample 1 is 4329, and for sample 2 4458, for sample 3 4663, for sample 4 4643, and for sample 5 4420. Here we applying formula, so we can directly get the mass of compacted soil 2083 for sample 1, and bulk density is 2.08 for sample 1. So we directly get the mass of compacted soil and bulk density. As per the practical, we get the water content of soil is for sample 1 is 7.53%, and for sample 2 8.4%, sample 3 10.15, sample 4 11.70, and sample 5 14.12%. So as per water content, we get the dry density 1.94, 2.04, 2.90, 2.15 and 2.17. So use this water content and dry density for all the sample and plot the diagram for finding the maximum dry density and optimum moisture content. From the plot, we get the maximum dry density is equal to 2.14 gram per centimeter cube, and optimum moisture content is equal to 10.8%. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.